Hello everyone, my name is Paresh and today I am going to show you how to decompile the PI HMI program. So now we have to upload the program from HMI. So I am searching that download tool. So now we have to select HMI to PC. Then we have to enter the file name. So I am writing the decompile. Then you have to show that pop-up displays download successfully. So we need to open the PI HMI software. So here we need to click on that decompile and then you have to select that file and set the location. Then you have to press OK. So here we can see that decompile completed and I am opening that HMI program.